This is why I don't recommend using one of these tea ball strainers when brewing a mug of loose leaf tea. Most people starting their loose leaf tea journey would acquire one of these. It's very easy to get your hands on. You find it in supermarkets, kitchen shops. It's very cheap and it looks like a tea bag. But I don't like these tea ball strainers because first of all, it's very fiddly. It opens like a pocket watch and it doesn't balance well on the hands. You've got to use one hand to hold your strainer and the other to scoop your tea. Now, if you're using a large leaf tea, very much like this Da Hong Pao, the leaves are long, it's twisted, and when you try to set the right amount on your tea strainer, it goes everywhere. Not to mention, when you try to close it, you risk clipping on the ends of the leaves, damaging them. But the most important thing is that when it steeps in water, dry leaf tea absorb the water and they hydrate and unfurl. And in doing so, they release beautiful aromas and flavors. But when large leaves are trapped in these small tea ball strainers, they're unable to do so. Tea leaves need to swim around in order to release its full fragrance. Instead, I would recommend using one of these type of strainers. The basket is big, it allows for enough room for the tea leaves to swim, and it easily sets in your mug. You don't also run a risk of the tea leaves going everywhere. It's a simple scoop and set, pour the water, and when you're ready, just close it, allow the teas to steep properly, and then take the lid off, set your tea strainer onto the cover, and enjoy the perfect mug of tea. Follow for more tea tips.